Hi, I'm Pat Dumsdorf with the xarvio digital farming team powered by BASF. Today I want to show you how to connect your xarvio Connect device to your Field Manager account. As you can see here, I'm logged into my Field Manager account. So you want to go to the upper right to the person icon and then select xarvio Connect. On the back of the xarvio Connect device is a code which you enter here and then simply hit connect. And on this screen, I'll enter a few details about the machinery I'm installing into and a little bit about the device itself. I'm going to show an example of connecting to a New Holland sprayer. So in this case, I'll rename the device to something meaningful, like that. And on the type of equipment, it is a self-propelled sprayer, so I will select self-propelled. Manufacturer, New Holland. And I'll select this model right here. Now, I'll specify the USB mode. In almost every case, you will leave this set at automatic, except for the monitor types that are listed here, in which case you would set that to manual. In-cab terminal specification, I'll next select the in-cab monitor that I'll be using. In this case, I will select a Raven Viper 4. And here it indicates that the supported file format is a shapefile. So here you can see shapefile is specified. If in fact I chose a model where either ISO, XML, or shapefile was available, I could select the one that I wanted to use. Here I could add a collaborator and essentially share access to this xarvio Connect device with the trusted advisor. I will not do that here. I'll just simply move on to adding the device to this account. And at this point, the device is connected to my Field Manager account. So a couple things. If I hit the three buttons, I can show over here on the right, if I had this device powered on and active in the machinery, I would be able to see the location of the machinery on a map here, so you can track your equipment. Over here summarizes a little bit about the configuration of the machinery that the device is installed in. If I show more, I could modify these settings if I wanted to. For example, if I'm going to move this xarvio Connect device from my New Holland sprayer to a combine or to a tractor that's pulling a planter, I could make those changes here and save them, and then easily move my xarvio Connect device to a new piece of equipment. So I'll just close here. I can go back. That is how you connect your xarvio Connect device to your Field Manager account.